legal action now is like my lawyer will do that and everything, But because it cost me a lot of cash every minute, it cost me a lot of money me lose, Every year the same thing. Every year them do the same thing. You see me, especially them time of the year. I don't know why, And just to make everybody know, you see them going to the cops and them question me everything and bring me home, search me home and everything and them question me and let me go so I'm a free man. So some people say family arrested, family never arrested. That's it. Yeah, but me just want all of this to stop, A lot of show them stuff for me, about 27 show now them stop. We have everything on record and things, so I just enough time them do something and I just bill and them not stop them man. Come like if me not stop them, not stop till them destroy me, them way there. But my lawyer take care of things. Yesterday my lawyer go into this police and everything, my lawyer by my side right here, Big up Mr. Ernest Smith and big up Miss Nesta Smith on the same way, Yeah. And one love to my fans them.